Hey everybody, and welcome to another Cricut Craft tutorial. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays with the occasional bonus video. Hit that bell icon because that will alert you to when I post a new video. Today I want to introduce you to a brand new product from 651 Vinyl. It is this really awesome stadium cup, and the best part about this cup is, let me get cold water here, it's color changing. I am so excited about these cups. They are so much fun, and they are awesome. Now, these are only cold beverage color-changing cups. These will not work with hot. Do not put hot in these at all. These are plastic, but it's a nice, thick plastic. And we've decorated this one, and I'm going to show you guys how we decorated this using a patterned mermaid vinyl and a really cool new font that I found. But I love how bright the color is as it's color changed. I love how nice and thick and heavy this is. They're easy to clean. They are pretty inexpensive. I do not have a price point, but once I find out, I will put it right there. I will stick it right in this video for you. Let me pour some of this out so you guys can see. I'm going to put my warm hand on it. And look how fun! I love these cups. We were so excited when we got to see these when we were in Louisville for their craft night that we have been dying to get these into your hands. These are going to be amazing sellers because everyone's obsessed with the color change, and the price point that they'll have on these is going to make it really easy for you guys to make a profit when you sell these, and there's a lot you can do. You can do these just with like a general decal, like I'm a mermaid. You could personalize them with names, weddings. This is just an awesome, fun product. So let's go over to Design Space so I can show you guys what fonts we're going to use and how to weed them and how to apply them. We're going to play with some really cute fonts, and I'm going to show you guys how to access some of those little extra characters that they have in some of the fonts. So we're going to have the cup say, I can't, I'm a mermaid. So nothing too crazy. So let's just start with the I can't part. So we're going to just do, whoops, and I've already got this. Let me switch the font really quick. Just going to switch it to something random just so we can work with it really easily. So, okay, we're going to do oops, and I accidentally deleted my fonts. Okay, so I can't. Well, I just chose a real weird font, but all right. So what we're going to do is go over into our system fonts, and I know that the fonts I'm looking for had the word mermaid in them. So we're going to use the one that I downloaded called KLM, I guess it's KL Mermaid Tails Solid. And the thing is, with this font, you can get it off of Design Bundles. I will link it below. But you'll notice that it showed us little tails, and we don't have little tails here. So what we need to do is we're going to use a program called MainType. And it's free, super easy to use. And what you do is you find the font that you're looking for. So we were looking for the KL Mermaid Tails Solid. And you're going to look for the letter that you want to use in this, but you're going to want to change this to private use area, and you'll see that you get a bunch of different characters. So now I show a Y with the tail, the Z, the T, all sorts of stuff. So we need to go up and find the T that has the tail. Now they're not always in exact order, it just depends on the font. So this is the T that we want to use. So what you do is you right click, copy it to your clipboard, go back to your Design Space, not to your recording software. You erase your T and then click paste, which is Control V. And I want to change out this, the apostrophe, to one of their cute characters, and I keep clicking the wrong thing. I'm so sorry about that, guys. Let me move that. So you're going to find there's a really cute set of, I don't want the bubbles. I don't want those ones. I wanted the other ones. There's a thick one. I don't remember where I found them before because I played with this font before I did this. But like there's cute things like you could use a starfish. There's a little flower. There's a seashell. So there's like an anchor. There's a bunch of different characters that you could use. I don't know why this keeps changing, but it does. That you can actually use instead of your apostrophe. But I thought these were really cute. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to copy them to the clipboard. We're going to go back over here. We're going to go ahead and paste that. Now, I'm going to ungroup my letters because it's going to be a pain to move them around with the special fonts to make them look nice. So we'll go ahead and select the whole thing and ungroup it. And then we are going to just scoot it over and scoot this over until it looks nice. These don't have to be exact. I kind of like that they're kind of weird and silly looking and really, really fun. Now, the can is a little small for my taste compared to the rest of the letters, so I am going to make that bigger. I'm going to go just a little bit bigger on that one. And this is where you just sort of play around with your spacing. Move this over, just out of the way for a second. But this is where you just play around with your spacing, see what you like, see what looks good to you. I think that's pretty good. I'm going to make the I just a little bit bigger since it's a capital letter. And we're just going to move it nice and close. So then the next font we're going to use to put I'm a mermaid, we're going to do I'm a mermaid. So we're not going to use the same font. We want something different for this part. There's another one under the mermaid fonts that I downloaded, again, off fontbundles.com, and it is this mermaid animated. If you click on it, look how cute these are. They have little cutouts in them. They have starfish, seahorses, mermaids, crabs. I think that's everything, and then there's like a little crab on top of the eye. They're really, really fun. So I'm going to make this really big just so you guys can see it for a second because it is kind of hard to see when it's small. But look at how cute that is. And they're actually pretty easy to weed, so not a big deal. But I'm going to change my letter spacing a little bit on this, just coming up to right here at the top, right where it says letter space. And I'm just going to go a little bit closer, partially so that I can fit more, I can have the letters be a little bit bigger while still having plenty of space. So I think that looks good. I'm going to center these, and then I want to line space them down because they're kind of far apart. So the line spacing takes forever to get it to go down. So I'm just going to put a -2 in and see that's a little too much. So let's do like -0.16. That's perfect. I just find that gives me a little more space to work with, and I like it. Now I don't want to go probably above about 4¼ inches, maybe a little bit more than that, just because I don't want it to wrap totally around the cup. Now this one, we want to make sure that we do weld it, so go ahead and select the whole thing, click weld, and we're going to move this around, and we can make this much bigger just so that it looks cute and kind of matches. And let's check this. I'm going to go this one just a little bit bigger. I can probably go just a hair bigger. Now it looks really small, but I promise once it's cut, it's really cute and you can totally see it and it's really nice. So I'm going to do these in 2 different colors, but I'm going to leave them on my mat or on my screen as the same color because I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to cut 2 separate colors on just one mat because it's super simple and it saves a little bit of time. So we're going to click make it. Now I just want to make sure that everything's spaced right. Yep, we're good. So I'm going to move the I'm a mermaid down to the 4, under the 4, and we'll just leave the I can't right there at the top. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to cut this on 2 different things on the same mat. But let's click continue really quick just so I can show you. We cut this on vinyl setting. We are using regular 651 vinyl. One of them is the just plain white, and that is a permanent adhesive vinyl, and I just knocked the cup off. And then one of them is one of their printed adhesive vinyl products, which I love. I'm super excited. It's the mermaid scales, so it's really fun to work with. It's really cute. It's going to look adorable on the cup. So we're going to cut those down, and I'm going to show you guys how we're going to cut these both on the same mat, but you do want to make sure that you set these both to vinyl. So let's go ahead and get over to the machine. I want to show you the mat first so you guys see what I'm talking about when I say we're going to cut them on the same mat. So this is where the I can't part is going to go, and you can see I kind of cut that down to size. And then this is where the I'm a mermaid part is, and it's all on the same mat, and it's all going to cut at once. So we'll go ahead and load it if I can get it under the things. We're going to select vinyl as our type, and then what it's going to do is cut it all. Now, I'm not going to make you guys watch it cut because cutting the I'm a mermaid part because of all the small pieces takes forever, but I really love the way it looks, so it's kind of worth it to me. You don't have to cut it on any special setting. I did do a test cut already on another pattern vinyl. Just remember with patterned adhesive, it's always pretty side up, just like you would cut regular adhesive vinyl. So I'm going to let this cut out, and then we'll show you guys it weeding. Questions on how you apply transfer tape, and honestly it's kind of personal preference. So I like to lay mine down and then lay my decal on top of it, unless it's like kind of off, like this is not the best cut piece I've ever used. So if it's like a weird shaped piece, I'll just lay it straight down, and I kind of folded it, but that's okay. And then I get a squeegee, and don't use your plastic scraper from CRICUT. You need an actual squeegee, not just like whatever you have laying around. This is nice and pliable, so it won't scratch anything. And then you get your cup. I have wiped that with alcohol. You guys saw earlier, these color changing cups are amazing. I love them. They're so fun. And this one turns purple, which is really fun. So I like to use my scraper as a cup holder as well. It keeps it from sliding off. And so what I'll do is I'm going to line up my eye with about the top of my cup and try not to get it too funky. It is a little bit hard to do at this angle, so I'm probably going to have to angle it away from you guys a little bit. I don't want to get this off-centered, and with the camera it makes it a little tough. So we're going to just make sure that we get this down pretty well. And because it's a curved surface, it's really not that hard. Everyone makes this out like it's really hard to do. It's not. Just lay it down. It's not a really thick design. It's nothing crazy. So this is super easy to do without getting any bubbles or wrinkles. And then all you do, whoops, we lost a little dude. And I usually just use my hand to press it down because it loves to stick to plastic. Like vinyl absolutely adores plastic. So there is the I can't part. And I just use the exact same piece of transfer tape because I'm cheap and I'm not wasting it. And I will just stick it right on top of this one. And even being a printed pattern, so this is the medium tack transfer tape from 651. It's really nice, but even being a printed pattern, you use the same transfer tape. And we're just gonna pull it off, just like we did the other one, and then I'm going to have to do the same thing with this. I'm probably going to have to angle it away from you guys a little bit, just to make my life easier. I really don't want to mess this cup up, because I actually really like it. I really don't want to screw it up. I want this on nice and straight. So same thing, I just pull it nice and tight when I do this, and then I just sort of eyeball it. It doesn't have to be perfect, like nobody's going to notice if it's slightly curved. It'll be fine. And then we're just going to peel off transfer tape. And I peel mine at like a really real tight angle. So I like almost fold it over itself to peel it. I just think it comes off a little bit better. And there you go. There's the cup. I think this is really a fun font to work with. Let's see if I can get it to focus for you guys so you guys can see. So you see there's a mermaid. There's some starfish. There's little crabs. There's a little crab in the R, and there's a seahorse. I just think this is a fun font. It really looks cute on this cup with the purple color change. This will look really good. We'll show you that purple color change here in just a second. Here we have the two styles of cups you can get. There's clear that changes color and a color that changes a color. So we have clear to orange and blue to purple. These come in 10 different colors at 651vinyl.com. You will find the link for these cups below. These are going to be a really hot seller for you guys. Color changing is so on trend right now. They're a great product to sell with a name. Maybe they're great for like bachelorette parties. They're great for fundraisers. They're super affordable. They are really, really fun. And I think people will really enjoy using these cups. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm always happy to answer those for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time. Hit the bell icon. That will alert you to when I post a new video. Happy crafting!